So in today's video, I share with you this simple yet the most effective recipe, cheap and non-toxic way to get rid of cockroaches for good from your home. You should start seeing results just in 4 days after using this recipe. And after watching this video until the end, I hope there will be no more toxic chemicals that don't work sometimes. And I hope as a result, there'll be no more cockroaches in your house. If you want to see what ingredient I use and how I mix them and how I apply them in my house, let's jump into the video. So to make this mixture, we'll need 3 ingredients. Here we'll need boric acid, we'll need 2 eggs, and we'll need sugar. For this video, I'm just going to use 2 eggs, a 1/4 cup of boric acid, and a 1/4 cup of sugar. For the preparation, I go ahead and boil the eggs. Here, if you have, let's say, a plastic container or a container that you normally don't use, or a bowl that you don't use, you can use this for the mixture. Take out the egg yolk. We only need the egg yolk here. We don't need the egg white. And try to mix the egg yolk. And once that has become well mixed, you can now pour in boric acid. You pour in the sugar. And then mix it very well. We would like to see this yellow dough-like consistency. Once this is done, the next thing you need to do is just take roll like little balls, just scoop it and then like put them in area where you see there's a lot of cockroaches or roaches around the house, or rat. Some dark places like corners where they like pathway where they pass. And for example, if you have them under the sink where we wash, in that cupboard, put some in there away from where children can think. And the other way where I do it as well is that cockroaches are very notorious in terms of coming out at night when the lights are off. So what you could do when the pets and the children are sleeping, you could take this mixture and sort of like spread it around, either in the kitchen where they're normally out, and let them sort of eat that at night. And then in the morning you can get up, sweep the place, and then clean it so that children don't come and get this mixture. And trust me guys, within 4 days you'll start seeing a big difference. You'll start seeing dead cockroaches lying around, and within a week you'll probably see like less if it has not disappeared. So to buy boric acid, in most cases you should be able to find it in most pharmacies. As well online, you can buy them from Amazon. I bought mine from Amazon, even some supermarkets. So just go online, Google, and try to see where boric acid is sold in your location. Guys, I know how annoying and embarrassing having cockroaches in your house can be. Most time, it doesn't necessarily mean your house is dirty. Cockroaches are notoriously known in migrating from one house to another house. And the best way to keep them away from your house is by keeping your home clean and organized all the time. Make sure you take out your trash and wash your trash bins. Get rid of all the food crumbs on the floor, and don't leave any leftovers, because once you have those, and it's very easy for cockroaches to migrate from house to house if they have access to food. And I'm sure after doing all this, you should be able to enjoy your house without these annoying creatures. I hope you like this video. Please let me know in the comments below if you like this video and if you have tried or you're going to try it. Otherwise, I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.